And we're back. So continue on doing the decals. So continuing on with our uh, Fuji T1A trainer. Working with these decals being a little more challenging because it's an older kit, very fragile. So we're doing our best we can on this one. So we're getting ready to do the tail section, and then we will put on the tail number and the one on the side. We are not going to do this one. This is a very thin red line for this one because these are so fragile. This is just going to flake off into a million pieces, so we're just not going to do that one. Same thing with these here. I would normally put these on, but we're not going to do that today because again, with them being long and skinny, they're just going to flake apart. So just showing you the basic techniques of how to assemble and put the decals on your first model kit. Check and see. Good there on the slide. Let's see, this starts up around that area, so we just kind of eyeball it. And slide off paper. Do some fine adjustment here. No. So it goes down to about there. Wow, that's up there a little bit higher and a little more of an angle. There you have it. And let's see, slide it back a little bit. Got it. This is a tricky part here where we're going to be doing a decal over a decal. So because this will go over those numbers. Most modern day kits here, they would have printed that all as one decal. Just for time's sake, we're going to set that one in there. Let's go over here on this side right here. Sitting there a little longer. Let it drop to the bottom there. Which one first? It still needs to sit a little while longer. There we go.
placement right over that vent. There's the vent.
Alright, so there's all of them on this one side. Let's bring it in. So here we have it all on one side, all the decals that we're going to use. On the top. So there we have it. So I'm going to do the other side and then do a reveal video. So I will see you next time for the final reveal. We'll have the fuel tanks on, we'll have the canopy on, we'll get all that taken care of. In putting on the canopy, we always use PVA glue. I always like using Elmer's clear glue, this right here, just to put the canopy on. Never use super glue. Super glue will fog it. So I use that, just clear Elmer's glue. And we'll take a look at it here later on. And let's see, put it over here on this one right here. So if you like what I'm doing, like, share, and subscribe. Follow Modeling with the Mats here on YouTube and Facebook. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.